The stars are still out, the clock strikes 4. I hear your footsteps pass by my door. We're rubbing our eyes in the kitchen light, sharing a meal in the middle of the night. A little bit sleepy, a little bit dazed, but grateful for the mercy in these holy days.
Oh, my brother, sister, the moon is new. I'm walking this journey side by side with you. From the first of the dawn till the sun sinks low, we're feeding our souls, letting everything go. Ramadan Kareem, let the blessings fall. In the quiet of the fast we find it all. The afternoon drags, the stomach starts to hum. We're counting the minutes until the call comes. You're reading your pages, I'm saying my prayer. There's a peace in the house and a scent in the air of dates on the table and water in the glass, watching the shadows of the evening pass. It's more than the hunger, it's more than the thirst. It's putting our faith and our family first. A month to be better, a month to be kind, leaving the noise of the world